Assalamualaikum. Today we will be solving quadratic equation through middle term breakup. We have done its explanation. Now we will do some example questions. So in the first scenario, as I have given the example of x squared plus 4x plus 4. So how shall we solve it? First of all, we will multiply the coefficient of x square which is 1. x square का जो coefficient है वो 1 है. Multiply by the constant 4 c. तो 1 into 4 is equal to c. We will multiply. Now we will gather the multiples of 4 by multiplying what two numbers we will get 4. By multiplying 1 into 4 we will get 4, 2 into 4, 2 into 2 is also 4, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 into minus 4 is 4, 4, minus 2 into minus 2 is also 4. We got 4 options. Minus 2 into minus 2 is also 4. From which we can see we have to break down the middle term. The middle term is 4x. We have to break down 4x in such a way that when we multiply the middle terms, we will get the answer 4, and when we add them then we will get 4x. So if we add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we have to take this scenario, this number. If we take minus 1 into minus 4, that will become minus 5x. So 2 and 2. We will break down 4x into 2x and 2x. So it will become x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will solve the equation in two parts. First we will solve this, I mean factorize it, x square plus 2x, and then we will factorize 2x plus 4. Because we have to factorize the whole equation in such a way that we can get the answer of x. We can solve the equation. While if it was expression, it was not equal to 0, we have to simplify it. That means we have to factorize it. So first we will factorize it. So x square plus 2x, x is the common. In both x square and 2x there is x. So we will take x as common. X into x plus 2 plus 2x plus 4, here 2 is common, plus 2 x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 into x plus 2 is 0. We will take x plus 2 there. X plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Look at this, both numbers are same, both factors are equal, x plus 2. So we can do it x plus 2 whole square because we are multiplying the two factors in the same way. So x plus 2 whole square equals to 0. X plus 2 is equal to excuse me, x plus 2 is equal to under root 0. Under root 0 is equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. We have got the value of x, which is minus 2. So we can solve it through middle term breakup. Then there are different scenarios to solve middle term breakup, because here I have break down the middle term from 2 to 2. Both the numbers are positive. If x was greater than, for example, if I do x square plus 8x plus 8x plus 8 plus 7. Okay, here both 8x is greater than 7. So we have to add 1 into 7 is 7. So it will become 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8. So we will break down 8x into x plus 7x. So it will become x square plus x plus 7x plus 7 is equal to 0. It is an equation equal to 0. X will be common. It will become x plus 1 plus 7 and then x plus 1 because 7 is the common, x plus 1. So x plus 7 will be one number, one factor. X plus 7 into x plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x equal to x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x will be minus 7. We have got the value of 1x and we have now got the value x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x will be minus 1. We have got two values of x. As it is a quadratic equation, we get two values. In linear equation, we get one value. So this is our example that I have solved to clarify the concept of middle term breakup. But in some scenarios, it is impossible to do middle term breakup. That means if I got x square plus 5x plus 7 plus 7, so there is no such way that I can break up 5x in such a way that it will multiply to 7. For example, 1 into 7 is 7 and 7 is a prime number, only this is the factors of 7. So when I add 1 and 7 it will be 8, and if I subtract or minus 1 into minus 7 it will be minus 8. So I cannot solve this expression or factorize it through middle term breakup. I have to use another strategy that will be learned in the next video. Thank you.